Hey everybody, you're watching Ready Set Drone, and today I have the Lightrone little FPV drone. We're going to check it out, so stay tuned. So this is the Lightrone by a company called Byrobot, B-Y-R-O-B-O-T. It's an all-in-one kit. It comes with the drone itself, it comes with the remote, and it comes with a screen. I am not sure if this is a 5.8 gigahertz FPV flyer or if it is a Wi-Fi FPV flyer. I'm going to guess 5.8 gigahertz because usually when it comes with a screen it is 5.8, which is great, which would mean you could fly it with analog goggles like Fat Sharks or Aomways. But let's take it out and we'll see what we can figure out. This. Oh, there we go. That wasn't too bad. Alright, we'll set that aside and slide this bit off, and there it is. It has some little tabs that are holding it in. I'm going to go ahead and just should have brought some scissors in here. There we go. Alright, so I have freed it from its shackles, and there it is. It's got a little FPV camera built onto the top, and it's got 4 propellers, ducted propellers that are protected by these ducts, which is great for indoor flying. Means if you hit something, you're going to be okay. I'm sure they're little brushed motors. It's got a user guide and a quick start guide here, which I'm going to take a look at. All right, it gives you all the different controls on the controller, like what does what. Here is the FPV screen, and yeah, again, I think this is going to be a 5.8 gigahertz, which means you could fly it with goggles, which is great. So let me go ahead and pull that out. Got the antenna here, which is going to go on the top. And then this is the little holder that goes onto the remote and allows you to put the screen onto it. And it looks like this requires a screw, so let's see if there's some screws in here. Maybe a little screwdriver. There we go, charger and battery. Spare propellers, 4 spare propellers. And a cap for the camera, so you can actually put the cap on the camera. Okay, so I spent a little bit of time charging these batteries right here, these little tiny 1S batteries that go in the drone, and charging the receiver, the screen that actually shows the live shot from the drone. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and plug this battery in. They're very lightweight. This drone is very lightweight, and go ahead and plug in the battery and set it down on a level surface so that it can calibrate properly. Let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, there we go. It's lighting up. Turn this guy on, and usually with these kind of drones you push the left stick up. Whoa, it's already bound. Okay. Okay, there is a takeoff landing button. This one's already bound, so there we go. So be careful. So now let's see what kind of live view we're going to get out of this screen. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Let's see, the switch is over here, and ooh, there it is, it just came on by Robot, and it says search channel, so that's not a touch screen, I'm assuming, so I'm going to go ahead and hit, for most people who know about FPV, FPV has 5 different letters, A, B, C, D, E, and then it has 8 channels on each letter. So yeah, it just found it. So there is the live view of what the drone is seeing right here. Let's see if I put it up there. You can see it pretty well. There's my face. Hello, hello. You can see there's just a tiny amount of lag, but not a lot. So that should be enough to actually fly this thing FPV. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hook this up right here on the remote. That button right there, the 3 beeps, is the rate. So 3 beeps is usually the highest rate. Oh, 4 beeps? Wow, it says 4 rates. It sounds like there's rate 1, rate 2, rate 3, and rate 4. So now I'm going to try flying it around the room and see how that goes. Here we go. It's actually pretty good. So I always have a hard time flying with a monitor versus goggles, but let me see if I can do it. Right in between the cameras. All right. I'm going to change the rate and fly in rate 2. Whoa. Yeah, that's why the prop guards are so handy. And actually, looking at the monitor, I can fly decently. See if I can go into the table here. I love having these little ducks on the props, because you can hit stuff and it doesn't just kill you. Alright, I don't know if this guy flips or not. It does flip, look at that. And it does a really good flip. Alright, let's try it here. Here comes another flip. I don't know if you saw that one, I'll try it again. Down where the camera is, and it's a little beast. Alright, one more flip. Okay, I'll land it because I'm under a bunch of stuff and go fetch it. Okay, I have to say, I'm gonna hit enter. And I don't know if that actually recorded or not, but the little red light came on, although the counter didn't. But I have to say, this is a fun little guy to fly. I don't know if you could tell, but I was flying in some pretty tight spots, and I was I bumped into a couple things. Its antenna is really nice because it's really kind of jiggly and stays on and doesn't get in anything's way. The bulb here that keeps the camera safe is great because you can run into stuff, and of course the ducts that block the propellers are also amazing. You know, you can fly with goggles with this thing, which I think would be a lot of fun to fly around the house with goggles using this, which actually is something I'm going to try. And yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. Thanks to Buy Robot for making this thing. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy one. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about FPV drones, please subscribe to Ready Set Drone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.